In a small village, a turquoise tractor arrives with a unique talent. With its vibrant color and infectious energy, the tractor captures everyone's attention. As the tractor starts moving, its hips sway in a mesmerizing rhythm. The villagers can't help but burst into laughter at the unexpected sight. The tractor continues to perform impressive maneuvers and tricks, defying expectations. The villagers cheer and applaud, embracing the joy of being different. The turquoise tractor leaves the village, leaving behind smiles and a sense of acceptance. Remember, it's okay to be different and have fun. Embrace your uniqueness.